Yes, my friend, undeniable proof that myEcon converts, and it converts extremely well with the funnel team. That right there is what you're going to learn in this video. What's up, my friend? DK here. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and also ring that bell and get notified anytime I'm posting new content, which is all the damn time. And you can be the first to know and be the first to see, especially in what we're going to be talking about today, which is not only proven documented results with our method. So I'm going to expose something that is working extremely well for our team and how you can plug in and you could start using it too, so you could get results in your myEcon business. Obviously, if you're on our team, you want more information on our team, how we add over $10,000 in free value to you just for activating your myEcon business. Link in the description down below. That will take you to my full tutorial and overview where I walk you through how we do, what we offer you, how we give you guys literally sales funnels, email marketing, viral content, everything you need to promote your business. We give you guys an app so you can run your entire business from an app on your phone. You get real-time lead notifications right to your app. You could follow up with your leads from your app. You could email, text, or call them. It's one of the best tools that any team will offer you, and we give it all to you absolutely free, just for the cost of your myEcon membership. You get over $10,000 in free value just for getting started with our team. Now, on to some really cool stuff. We have a method that we use that is becoming exposed now, and it's working extremely well, and we're seeing the results from this. And it's just the proof and the results are just literally undeniable. It's so freaking awesome to see. So I'm going to take you through some of that. And then at the end of this video, I want to share something that's very, very special with you that you need to know. So make sure you watch this video all the way through. So let's get into the heart and the meat of it right now. So if you guys want access to this results Facebook group right here, what you need to do is comment ATM down in the chat. So that acronym ATM. Now, what does that stand for? This is a method that we have been using lately, and it's been closing sales left and right. And you're going to see the proof here in a second of just random everyday people that are plugging into our system. They're using this method and they're getting sales with their myEcon business. Now, it's very, very simple. It's very, very easy to use. Now, what does the ATM stand for? Okay. Add, tag, message. So how does it work? Well, once you become a member of our team, which is the funnel team, by the way, largest and fastest growing team inside of myEcon right now. And when you become part of our team, we're going to show you how to use this method right here. Okay. We have a results Facebook group, which shares with the world the results that our team members are getting. And you're going to, when you're communicating with your leads or communicating with anyone that might be interested in myEcon or anyone that might be interested in making money online, what you're going to do is you're going to add them to this group. You're going to tag them in a post, and I'm going to show you some examples of this. And then you're going to message them and let them know that you tagged them in a post for them to go check it out, and then let you know that they saw the post. Okay. So that method right there, it sounds very, very basic and very, very simple, because it is. And the simplest methods, my friend, always win the most. So if you want to plug into this, if you want to utilize a method, a system, a team that is getting consistent daily results, daily sales with myEcon, the funnel team is the place to be. Again, more information on us, or if you want to get started, link in the description down below. So now let's scroll through. Let's check out some of these posts right here. So this is Mary. This is literally just 3 hours ago right here. Okay. Great end to my Monday day for a sale. Boom, out there promoting. Absolutely awesome to see. And then you can see obviously lots of comments here. A lot of people obviously congratulate. Hey, way to go. What we have right here and why this is so effective, this is social proof. This is proof that what we're doing, what we're talking about is working. It's not just me making sales. It's not just the top leaders making sales. And here's what I want you to know and understand. And this is why this is critically important for you to hear this message. As I'm talking to new members, as they're coming on board or as they're about to come on board, people will assume, you know what they say about that, oh, you have to have a big following to get sales. You have to have a lot of friends. You have to have this, you have to have that. No, you don't. We show you with our system from scratch exactly what to do how to build and grow. So do you want to stay stuck? Do you want to stay where you're at? Or do you want to grow? Do you want to stay or do you want to grow? If you want to stay, keep coming up with excuses. Keep, saying, oh, it's this, oh, it's that, oh, it's something other than you, and you'll stay exactly where you're at. Remember this, please. Everyone starts at zero. It's up to you if you want to stay there. So if you want to stay there, just keep complaining, keep doing what you're doing, don't make any changes, and you will stay exactly where you're at. Or if you want to learn, develop, grow, build, make more money, you know exactly what to do. Get started. Action cures fear. End of story. So look at this. Another one right here. Check this out. Okay. Cynthia, 3 hours ago. Again, here's some motivation. I just wanted to say this was the first time I had someone enroll after watching the webinar. And by the way, every single week we do live recruiting webinars for our team where you can invite your leads to our webinars. We, as the leaders, will do the presentation. We will close the sales for you. So that's what she's referencing here. Each week is different, meaning our webinars are a little bit different every single week. It's not the same exact webinar. Okay. Just because no one showed up last week, meaning she invited her leads, people didn't show, that's okay. You keep moving forward. Okay. When you invite them doesn't mean they won't the next week. And then there's always the replays. Each week I'm getting more leads, and the more leads you get, the better chance you have at converting your sales. Stay focused, right? So look at that. Got a sale. She invited a lead to the webinar. The lead attended the webinar. She closed the sale. I mean, it's pretty simple. Okay. And then if your leads are curious, hey, does this work? You can invite your leads to this Facebook group. You can tag message them. You can add them to the group. You could tag them in posts just like this, and then message them and say, hey, did you see the post that I just tagged you in? And that's how they get to see the social proof that you're seeing right now, that everyday people are making sales with our team inside of myEcon. Like, these are all real people, real posts, real sales guys. Like, we don't just make this crap up. Okay. Clint, literally 2 hours ago. Okay. Love these notifications, waking up to two, not one, but two new sales during the night, one at 11:30 p.m., one at 6:30 a.m. So literally while Clint was sleeping, he was making sales. Freaking awesome. Okay. Here's Catherine a couple of days ago. Despite a hectic day, I seized the opportunity to nurture my leads, meaning she followed up, and was rewarded with a fresh sale before the night ended, proving that every day holds potential for growth and success. So, plain and simple, my friend, I could scroll on for days here and show you guys just post after post after post after post of people making sales. And these are all recent sales. We see these posts every single day, sometimes multiple sales per day. So plain and simple, my friend, like if you want results, if you want growth on your myEcon team, plug into our team, do what we're doing, because end of story. And this isn't a brag or a flex. This is documented proof that what we teach works. And then we get to share that with your leads. We get to share that with the world, and people get to plug in and get started and get results because these methods work. So if you want one of the hottest methods right now in 2024 and beyond, depending on when you watch this video, you're looking at it right here. Okay. Just documented proof that what we do works. Okay. So you want more information on what we do, link in the description down below. You're ready to get started, link in the description down below. Now, one more thing that I want to chat about you here at the end of this video. If you're not in the loop, you haven't seen any of my other content for whatever reason, you need to know this. myEcon, which has been based here in the United States and solely in the United States for the last 2 decades, is about to go global. They're about to expand internationally and open up to many, many other countries. I'm going to tell you right now, and I just recently did a video on this, on the predictions of what I see coming, how many current members myEcon has compared to where they could be 6, 12, 24 months from right now. And it's just mind-boggling to think about the potential growth that is right here inside of myEcon. Just a well-established company and completely debt-free, and it's just going to get absolutely insane. So if you, for whatever reason, are not in the United States and you're watching this video and you want to get on this list, you want to be inside of myEcon, you want to be part of something that is literally exploding, that is also proven and documented to work, then all you have to do is link in the description down below. Actually, what I'm going to do is this. Okay. Actually, yeah, I'll just leave you the link in the description down below. I was overthinking this here. So if you want access to our Facebook group, the results Facebook group, so you could pop in there, you could see it for yourself. Comment down below ATM. Okay. Comment ATM down below, and I'll send you the direct link to get into our Facebook group if you want to go see it for yourself. And if you want to be on the list to know, be first to know when we are going to expand internationally, and it's going to be soon. I'm telling you that right now. That link is also in the description down below. So you got 3 links down there you can check out. Okay. You can check out my full overview. You could get started if you're in the US, or if you want to be first to know. I'm telling you right now, if you guys are overseas and you guys get in before everybody else, you're going to put yourself in an absolutely amazing position as this thing just takes off to the stratosphere over the next 6, 12, 24 months. So just imagine, going back decades or whenever it is and being able to purchase Bitcoin when it was $100 for one Bitcoin, being able to, be on the inside of things like Amazon, Netflix, Google, before they launch publicly, and being able to buy shares, buy stock of those companies and having that opportunity. You guys have that right now. Okay. So link in the description down below if you guys want to get on the list and be the first to know when we launch globally. Thank you for watching, my friend. Truly appreciate you. So fun every single day being part of this business, part of this team. Love seeing the sales, love seeing the growth. It's an amazing place to be. And you guys should be on the inside with us here. Stop standing there on the outside, looking in, pondering, doubting, debating, wishing, hoping, praying, for success. Get on the inside. Action cures fear, my friend. It's way better in here than it is out there. I can promise you that. I'll see you on the next one.